Your stomach is essentially a factory for one of the most talked about recovery tools in the modern fitness world, and most people have no clue it even exists. We are looking at a specific protein fragment known as BPC-157. It is derived from the very juices that help you digest your last meal, but its real power supposedly happens in your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. People are gravitating toward brands like Infiniwell because the peptide market is currently a complete mess of low-quality sources and questionable labels. You might hear enthusiasts claim this is the ultimate answer for a torn ligament or a persistent gut issue. That sounds amazing on the surface. The theory suggests that this little molecule signals your body to accelerate its natural repair process. It acts like an expert contractor who shows up to a construction site with extra supplies and a much faster crew. If you had been dealing with that annoying shoulder pain that just won't quit, or knees that click every time you stand up, this might catch your attention. Infiniwell positions their version as a high-purity, stable solution. This focus on stability is crucial because peptides are incredibly fragile molecules. If the manufacturing process is sloppy, you are essentially paying a premium price for something that does absolutely nothing. Users often report feeling significantly less stiff after a brutal leg day. Some say their recovery time feels like it has been cut in half. However, there's a massive catch that many social media influencers tend to gloss over. The science is still very much in its early stages. Most of the hard data we have actually comes from animal models or individual personal stories. We simply do not have massive, decades-long human trials to point to yet. This creates a significant gap between the internet hype and clinical reality. You have to be comfortable with the idea of being your own experiment. It is also definitely not a quick fix. You cannot just take it once and expect to wake up feeling like a superhero the next morning. It often takes weeks or even months of very consistent use to see a tangible shift in how you feel. Then there is the undeniable factor of cost. Peptide therapy is not a cheap hobby. You must weigh that hefty price tag against your actual fitness goals and your budget. If you are just a casual gym goer, a better sleep schedule and a slight increase in protein might yield similar results without the high cost. But for the person chasing every possible recovery edge, this brand offers a more professional and transparent approach to a very unregulated world. It serves as a supporting player in your recovery toolkit rather than the main star. You still have to do the heavy lifting. You still have to prioritize nutrition and proper rest. View it as a potential boost for your body's natural internal mechanics. It is fascinating to see how far we have pushed the boundaries of hacking the healing process. Just keep your feet on the ground and your expectations realistic. Real results take time and a healthy dose of skepticism. If you understand the risks and the logistics of storage and dosing, it might be a tool worth exploring. Just do not expect a miracle in a bottle. It is about finding small wins and protecting your longevity over the long haul. The world of peptides is moving incredibly fast, but your biological systems still operate on their own natural clock. Patience is the ultimate supplement that no one can sell you.